A Don for me is someone that takes care of business. Seen everything, been through everything, and rises up above it all. And gets the respect of his peers and his organization.
About to put it down. You know, if you was over my soul, stand up, you know what I'm saying? About to put it down for all my Haitians, you know what I'm saying?
Bitch, if you stand up, IT stand up, Florida stand up, Canada stand up, if you was old, stand up, put your hands up, let me see where the Haitian flag and the L-O. Put your hands up, let me see you throw my bang in the sky. Put your hands up, let me see where the Haitian flag.
Yo, it's your boy Creole. I'm in North Miami, you feel me? Like we having like a little griot, you know what I mean? Haitian griot out here. You know, KJ got some chicken, you feel me? Yeah, man, we keep it out here. We just came from North Miami Senior High. You know, drop it down, you feel me? For all my young zones. So now, just having some griot, you know, Haitian style, you already know. We keep it 100, man. Zone down.
We know, man, J. Creole, Don Status Tour. We over here, Queens, New York, Allure, brand new spot. We done already had Olivia, we got Lloyd Banks and a couple of us. We got Jadakiss coming out after that. We got nothing but Showgirl, Magdalene Bottles over here.
You know what I mean? Flying to Mexico, we doing it. So they call us J. Creole, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's go. Doing it, Creole. J. Creole. And Cap City, they call me the boss. Cause they know I push my team. Get freaky with it. So I got a call from the Don. Dime vamos a Mexico, and I know it's on. My Latinos call me a patron. They know I be up in the club, sipping up a drum. Shorties run the block, they all know about me. It must because they know that I'm from Haiti. And I'ma stay fresh till I die. Oh, Asian representative. I fly to Port-au-Prince, I don't need passport to enter. Got blue and red blood flowing in my vein. Started on my chest and I didn't feel no pain, no. And baby, if you were so, just say that I'm a soul. And homie, if you were so, just say that I'm a soul.
What? What? Let's go. Don't shit.
Yeah, what does it take to be a dog? You gotta feed your team, handle your own. From my Armani suits to my Gucci cologne. Bitch, I'm a dog. Yes, I'm a dog.
Done. Swagger forming all the planet. I ain't gotta say shit, them niggas know I'm winning. Ha! Got my team in a playoff. Your niggas feel a recession, your eyes got laid off.